Now, the transistor we studied before was a base junction transistor, which was controlled by the base current flowing in. This one is controlled by the voltage at the gate. There's three parts to it: gate, the drain and the source, just like it was the base, the collector and the emitter. Now, when the gate voltage gets high enough, the MOSFET starts to conduct. Okay. At a certain, that voltage, the gate is, when it starts to conduct, is called the threshold voltage. So below the threshold there's no current flowing down here. Then it starts to flow and then you get to a saturation. Now, the whole circuit, it just works much the same way as the other transistor worked. With a thermistor here, in the cold, the resistance of the thermistor will go up, so the voltage here, V out, will also go up. So in the cold, the gate voltage is going to get big, the MOSFET is going to switch on, and a current is going to flow, IDS, the drain source. A current will flow down between the drain and the source. The maximum current will depend on the size of the resistance of the component that's there. Okay. There might be a small voltage dropped across there. Another way of putting that is there might be a small resistance between the drain and the source. Then we kind of get to a voltage divider question. Okay, you might know that resistance and you know this resistance, so you can work out those two voltages, or you might know that voltage and then you can calculate this voltage from them both adding up to 6. Again, it's just a voltage divider question. The MOSFETs are good for switching on large currents. The MOSFET is voltage controlled. The current flowing into the gate is 0 milliamps, which is a very good thing. That means you're not going to damage whatever you're sourcing that voltage from, because no current's been drawn. Okay. They are quite efficient. Okay, at switching between the high and the low, their power losses will be smaller. You can use the power calculation, Peter's IV, or I squared R, or V squared over R. You can use these to find out the power that the MOSFET is using.